on, guys? I'm gonna watch NFL. Press the wrong button moments. I'm guessing this is basically bloopers and stuff. I'm getting into the NFL right now. I want to see Kansas City defeat or beat the unbeaten record, defeat the Pittsburgh Steelers. I want to see that game because if Kansas City defeats Pittsburgh, Pittsburgh's streak is meaningless. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm a Kansas City fan and the Baltimore Ravens fan. And look, man, I don't know how he dropped the ball basically in the touchdown and before the third quarter. I don't know anything. I don't know a lot about football, the rules, but to me he caught it, and apparently he didn't. He dropped it, and yeah. So let's get to it. Now, the hell was he gonna do? I thought it was the Jets. How mad would you be if you were a fan? I would be so mad if I was a fan of that team. The third quarter. You thought he was going to get tackled, that's why. Dude, I hate San Francisco so much. Oh, he was so close. Yo, he thought he was alone, man. He thought he was by himself.
And the Redskins will punt.
What? I don't understand that. I don't get it. Oh my God, he didn't see him behind him. Dude.
From the 16.
He was right there.
Here's Prescott.
Oh, damn.
2-yard shot at first.
Flying knee, son. Did a flying knee on it. Ooh. Probably got injured after that, yo. His thigh. Oh. Isn't that like a foul or something? What's gonna happen? Wow. He hurt his own teammate. Dude, the Jets suck every single time. I used to be a Jets fan because they had Mark Sanchez. Ooh. Was that a foul, right? Yo, I think the Buffalo's gonna be a surprise this year. What a shame. What? He didn't tackle him, son. When did he tackle him? Oh, wow, yo. They're like a WWE move on him. Intercepted. Game's over, basically. So this was pretty wild. I mean, I don't get why some of the guys that were supposed to tackle them didn't tackle them. I'm also getting familiar with the rules, so if I mess up, then because I don't know the rules. The Jets, I'm very disappointed with the Jets. They suck. Also, I was expecting Baltimore to win against the Steelers. I think they're gonna crush the Cowboys, and I think Buffalo is gonna be a surprise this year. Watch out for Buffalo. Anyways, tell me what you guys think of the NFL right now, because there was like a controversy in the game of the Philadelphia Eagles and Seahawks. I watched that game. Like, before the touchdown for the Eagles, I think he threw it out of bounds, but I think one of the coaches got it. He caught it in bounds, and the referee didn't do nothing. He watched that guy catch it. He was still in the white area, and the referee didn't do anything. Basically, that's the whole controversy. I watched that game and I was like, even I know, watching the game, and I don't know much about it, that he's not supposed to do that. Anyways, I'm gonna be checking out more of these videos. Make sure to stay tuned. If you have any suggestions on what you want me to watch next, put it in the comment section, and I'll check it out later. Peace.